So we're filming the installation of these copper hips. This is Vermont black, extra heavy slates, about 3/4 of an inch thick, with hips that are basically mitered and covered with these copper step flashings. To make a finished hip where you can cut the miters with the saw, and you don't have to worry about the sawn edges showing because you have a copper cover over top of the hips, and it covers the sawn edges to give you a nice finished look. So the hip slates are installed first on both sides. This slides up. There's a hole right there to nail them. And they hook underneath the slates so that they can't lift here. So you run the hips all the way out. They're basically a mitered hip. Yep. And then you step these copper coverings on with each course as you go up. Run the slates out, put the copper on, run the slates in, put the copper on. And it nails right in the center here at the very top, and it hooks on the bottom underneath the slate so the bottom can't move. And then the next piece will cover that nail, and so there's nothing here that can leak. So to make these stepped up copper hip coverings, you start out with a paper pattern. This is it here. So this is marking a piece of paper to show the pocket fold on the bottom. Can you fold that? Just so this is how it's folded, and this is the pocket fold here, and this is the underside. This faces the slate. So when you turn it over, there's no way water can get through the bottom of that piece. Okay, so that's it for cutting, huh?
Yep.
Now you just fold it up.
I'm doing the hems first, since
I see.
All the way around.
The sides are just hemmed.
About 1/2 inch there.
So that makes them pretty rigid.
Yep. Yeah.
Is that 20 ounce copper?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 20 ounce half hard.
20 ounce half hard copper, 1/2 inch hem on the sides.
Start to see where the pocket folds are going to be.
I see.
Been using one of these guys to kind of bring up the middle of the fold, help start the crease.
Okay.
And then everything just follows pretty naturally. That's the start of the pocket fold. Quickly, a little more crease.
So you got half a pocket fold there.
You. This side's a little easier to see. These can be brought up just about all the way. And that second fold, I've been finishing off with a pair of wide tongs.
Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see the outside of that. All right.
And smash her all down. Pair of universals. And that gets about 90 each side. Just okay. Tightening this up a little bit, crisping the folds. Trim down the middle so these don't overlap. And there it is.
Okay, so that's it. It's finished.
This angle is the important one, where it comes to a point, because if that's too tight, the flashing sticks down. It looks funny. If it's too loose, then there's big gaps on the edges out here, so it looks funny. So that's got to be fairly accurate. But this angle adjusts easily.
Good. All right, thanks a lot.
No problem.